Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to hop on here real quick and tell you about two products that I picked up at Target recently. So the first thing I want to tell you about is it is by Soap and Glory, and it is the Super Hydrating Speed Plump Overnight Miracle Moisturizing Mousse with amazing bubble boost technology. So the first time, I like the packaging. It is white with hot pink and it has a cool silver lid on it. The first time I used this, I wasn't a fan, but if you're not used to using moisturizers every night, you might not be a fan the first time either. And that is only because your face has to balance itself out. So what I ended up doing is I used this one night and then I waited a week to use it again because I still felt like my face was not greasy, but it was moisturized. And so I just waited, and then I have started to use it every single night. And let me just tell you, a little bit goes a long way. It's not nearly gone at all. And what it is I can show you guys a little sample of it. So all I do every night is I literally take this much and I put dots on my face and then I rub it in. It is amazing. And like I said, a little bit goes a long, long way. I have noticed a difference in my, I have to rub this in really good. I've noticed a difference in my skin overall, especially on my cheeks where I have some acne scarring. That has softened. I don't want to say that my scarring has gone away because it's a scar. Scars typically don't go away, but they have softened and become less red and noticeable, especially where I don't wear makeup that is full coverage. And so when I put my makeup on, I can't see it anymore is a big plus for me. But it's just really soft and really creamy, and you really want to just use a little bit and it goes a long way. And then the other thing I wanted to tell you guys about are these Yes to Tomatoes Clear Skin Detoxifying Charcoal Facial Wipes. These are absolutely amazing. They take off your makeup like that. So to show you guys how good they are, I have a bright or a deep, deep red lipstick, and I'm just going to put it on my hand right here. And this is from NYX in the shade Lifeguard, in case you wanted it. This is like a deep, deep red burgundy color. And I'm just gonna take one of these wipes. And the thing I like about these wipes too is that they're black. I hate using white wipes because then you can see everything on it. And they're pretty big too. So these are how big the wipes are. I'm just going to take this, and this is one swipe. I didn't even use that much pressure. And then I'm going to fold the rag and swipe again. And this is just lightly rubbing because I don't want to have like a red mark underneath my hand so you guys can see, but it does take it off, and it takes it off really, really well. Like I had to use these when I had my finger surgery and I couldn't wash my face. Well, I could have washed my face with one hand, but that's just difficult and complicated because I couldn't get this hand wet where it was in a cast. And so I got these to try out. I never liked facial wipes. These were the only ones that made it feel like I had just washed my face. Like, you know how the difference of water on your skin is totally different than when you use a towelette? These ones are amazing. It felt like I had just freshened up, washed my face for the night, and it was so nice. My eyebrow makeup was removed, my mascara got removed. It was amazing. I absolutely loved it. And then it made it so I didn't break out during the day. Also, I really like these wipes too to just use if you're going on a non-makeup day. They're great to use in the morning and in the middle of the day, especially if it's hot and your natural oils just kind of tend to come to your face and just makes your face feel a little bit greasy. I don't like that feeling, and so I would take a wipe just to freshen up my face in the middle of the day. But that is all I have for you guys. Again, these items are both from Target. This isn't sponsored. This is just something that I found and I like, so I figured I'd share it with you guys. Again, this is the Speed Plump Moisturizer and the Say Yes to Tomatoes Black Charcoal Wipes. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on all my social media sites. I have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, as well as click the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video so I know to make more. And as always, guys, be polished, wear polished, and a little superstition never hurt. We'll catch you guys later. Bye.